good teacher. Okay, today we will learn about phonics. It's letter sound E. It's letter sound E. Are you ready? Okay, Rainbow Kids, this is the story of letter sound E. Some sheep and a donkey live next to a cornfield. One August morning, some children bring carrots for the donkey. He is very pleased to see the children and greets them, praying, E-or. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you how to say this letter sound. It's letter sound E. Can you say it after me? It's letter sound E. Okay, this is letter sound E, and this one, how you write letter sound E. Letter sound E, and how you write letter sound E. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you the action of letter sound E. You put your hands here in your head and pretend that you are a donkey while saying E. Can you do it? E. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you the things that has letter sound E. First, it's B, T, seed, and beef. B, T, seed, and beef. Okay, now let's listen to the song of letter sound E. Let's go, music.
See the donkey in its stall, E-or, E-or is its call.
Okay, one more time.
See the donkey in its stall, E-or, E-or is its call.
Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's redo this worksheet. Letter sound E. Can you say E? Yeah. Now look at this picture. It's a picture of B. B. B has letter sound E. Now let's retrace letter sound E on the word B. Next, seed. Can you say seed? Yeah, now let's retrace letter sound E on word seed. Next, the third picture is a picture of T. Let's retrace letter sound E on T. Okay, next, queen. Can you say queen after me? Queen. Okay, now let's retrace. Start from inside, go all the way to outside and make a half circle. Okay, next, beef. Can you say beef? Which one? Letter sound E. Yeah, this one is letter sound E. Now let's retrace letter sound E. And the last one, what color is this? This is green. Right, it's green. Green has letter sound E. Let's retrace it together. Okay, we have B, seed, T, queen, beef, and green. Okay, Rainbow Kids, that's all about letter sound E. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye-bye!